This video is going to show you how to do the multi-view sketching of the views using just the tools here on the Google Slides. What we're going to do is do the front view of this guy here. That's the view that looks from this angle here. This is the front, that's the right, and this would be the top view. But we'll do the front view, or at least we'll get it started so you have an idea of how to do this. This is actually pretty simple. So what we're going to do is click on the little line icon at the top. And we'll click down here, and that just places a line. Now, if we click off, we notice that the line's really thin. So to make it thicker, I select the line, I go up here to the line weight little tool, and 3 is a really good one. So what we're going to do here then is angle the line so it's straight up and down. And the goal here is to make lines that are proportional to this. Like this is 4 across at the top, and then 3 down on the left, and then it's got these little bumpies there. And this is out by 2 from this part here. So you get an idea of how this is. So we want to try to recreate this from this view here. So what we have to do is make this line the right length. How we do that is by selecting the line, right-clicking, and then clicking Format Options. That brings up this little window here that's got a couple things. One of the things that's very handy is the size. So if I pull it, all of a sudden the size becomes right there. So this shows my width and my height, and width is basically horizontal, height is always vertical, and it'll change. You'll see in a second how this changes, but this still works. So let's do the top. This is going to be 4 blocks across, so to make it easy to fit, we'll consider each one of these to be like a ½ inch. So 1, 2, 3, 4 ½ inches, which would be 2 inches. So I'm going to make this line 2, but it's going to be a horizontal line because my view is looking this way. So I'll take the line, I'll drag it down like this, and then here, now it's width because it's horizontal. I'll change this to 2, and that makes it exactly 2. So I'll pull this up because that's going to be at the top. Then I'm going to make the 90-degree line going down. The best thing to do is to just copy, Control-C and Control-V, this line, and then I'll pull it so that it is facing 90 degrees like that, and then put it here like that. And so this one needs to be 1.5 because these are all 0.5s to make it even and to make it work. So now it's a height line because it's vertical, so I'll change this to 1.5. So now the line is the right length, and I'll drag it around and kind of attach them like this so they're pretty good. All right, good enough. And so then I'm going to make my little one going down here in the front. So I'll copy this one here, Control-C and Control-V, and make this a 0.5. And I'll pull this over here. Okay. And then I need to make the little 2 guy going right here. So I'll copy this horizontal line, Control-C, Control-V, and I'll make this one 1 because it's half as long as that. And I'll pull this one there. Then I need another one going down, which is a 1. So I'll just take this, Control-C, Control-V. And notice I don't even have to manipulate the sizes anymore because I've already done that. So there we go. And then I need to have another one going across. But this one is only 1 block, which will be a 0.5. So now I need to make the width 0.5, like that. And I know I'm going to need another one at the bottom, so I may as well Control-C, Control-V that. Stick it right there. And then I need one more of these. Control-C, Control-V. And put this one right there, and then move this one over a little bit. And that is pretty close to what I want. There we go. So this is pretty proportional to that in terms of how the sizes are. So this would be the front view of that using just a line tool on Google Slides. That's what you're going to do. Good luck.